So, I had to charge it para magbukas. First thing is, you will be asked to choose the language and then scan the QR code to download the health app on your phone. Use QR. Huawei Health. So they asked me what phone brand I have, and then I don't have an app gallery, so download via browser tayo. So ganito yung strap niya, natutupi yung dulo. Different siya sa Xiaomi na ganito, rubber din. So ayan ang difference. Wait, medyo mahirap ba? Ayan. Tanggalin natin to. Tinanggal ko na kaagad. It does feel different. Mas magaan yung feeling niya. Hindi ko alam kung anong difference nila. So wait.